Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Jobs with Shubham. So today I'm going to provide a very good opportunity. So those who are looking for full stack developer or a software engineer job as an entry level, you can apply for the job. This is a very good opportunity, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to miss any update, because daily I'm posting news opportunity here. So let's go and start the video. So this is the page of Swiggy, and it's a hiring for associate software engineer for Bangalore location. So let's talking about those who have a 0 to 1 year of experience. So you can also apply for the job, and you can go and check about this company. So let's talking about, so we are looking for a highly motivated individual can join the engineering team of SDE. As SDE, you will have the opportunity to, along with the experienced engineers, to contribute to the design, development and implementation of cutting edge of backend systems. So let's talking about this key add-ons, roles and responsibilities. So collaborate with cross-functional team with design, develop and maintain a scalable backend system and the service. Write high quality maintainable code of Java and Go programming language. Utilize technology and Kalfa and dynamic, all these things you have to know, and participate code in the review of ensuring code quality and adherence to best practice. Contribute to the architecture of design, discussion of a new features and improvement. Troubleshoot and debug issue and optimize performance and addressing scalability of the challenge. And those who have done a bachelor degree of BTech of 22 or 23 graduate or academic knowledge of computer science, software engineering or related field can apply. A strong programming skills of Java and Go, and familiarity with backend development of concept of technology, and basic understanding of database and data modeling, and all these things you have to know. And how to apply for the job, so you have to just click here apply. You will so first of all you have to upload your resume and give all these basic information, and you have to submit the application. So this is a very simple process. You can go and check about this. So moving to the next job is coming from Mitsogo, and it's hiring for Python full stack developer for Kochi or Chennai location. Those who have 1 or 3 year of experience, so you can also apply for the job. So we are currently hiring for Python developer for join engineering team to develop dynamic software application. So roles and responsibility is that understanding of translating customer requirement, technical specification, moderating a REST API and writing efficient of scalable Python code, design and implement a robust, highly available and secure application, debugging application to ensure low latency of the high availability, integrating user facing elements for several side of logic, and all these things you have to know. And those who have a degree of computer science, engineering or related field can apply, and 1 to 3 year of experience of Python web developer, knowledge of Django, Flask or Python web framework such as preferable, knowledge of REST API work of preferable, and all these things you have to know. And how to apply, so once you scroll down the application page depends, you can go in and check about this. So moving to the next job from Sina, and it's hiring for software engineer for new grade for Gurgaon location. So Sina is communicated to people to philosophy our teams to enjoy the culture of focusing the prioritizing the personalized or flexible work in the environment that empower the individual passion of the growth. And you can go and check about this. So let's talking about this job summary. So in the global leader of networking strategy for more than 25 years of technology, has been part of the critical infrastructure and all this thing. And we are hiring for software engineer who could be participate in the product features development. As for the part of the team, they will be responsible for design, develop and support software specification and different all this thing. And let's talking about these roles and responsibility. So collaborate, support and release data design to the successful delivery of release features, implement code according to the design while meeting projects timeline, compliance with the organization wide, and provide inputs of the detailed design, develop and execute unit test case, and support the technical leadership and solve the fix defects. And skills, those who have a strong analytical coding, technical and documentation skill can apply. Proficient of object oriented concept of data structure algorithm, knowledge of operating system concept, knowledge of networking concept, and hands of 1 year following like C, C++, JavaScript, Python, JavaScript, HTML, CSS, JQD, Scala, and all these things you have to know. And how to apply, so those who have undergoing of MCA, BTech of engineering or communication, computer science, or IT similar can apply for the job. And how to apply? So you have to just click here, apply now. Once you click just apply now, the application page will open. So there will be 4 steps, so you can go and check about this. And if you face any issue, then you can ask me in the comment section, I will help you. So in this video we have talked about 3 different job role, what is the job role and how to apply for the job. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to miss any updates, because daily I'm posting new job opportunity here. And watch full video guys, then you can understand what is a job description and how to apply. So thanks for watching. Till that, goodbye.